Hello, in this video we'll show you how to replace the rear brake pads on Mercedes C-Class W203. These are the brake pads that I'm talking about. In order to remove the brake pads, there is a pin holding the brake pads, which is right there. We need to push it out. And after we push it out, there is this metal spring that we're going to remove and then take out the brake pads. To push out the pin, we need a spindle like this, which will get into that hole in there, and we'll just hammer it, and it will push out this pin on the brake pads, and it will come out. We need to push that pin from the outside towards the inside. You can see that it has started to come out. We're going to continue to hammer it out, and you can see it's coming out. A little bit more, and it will be out all the way. That's the pin almost out. The metal spring has fallen to the ground. That's the metal spring, and that's the pin out. Now we're going to take out the brake pads. If the brake pads don't want to come out by pulling them, then you might want to use a pry bar just to push them out of the brake disc a little bit, and there will be enough space to take them out. First this one. We took out the inner one, and now we'll take out the other one. If it still doesn't want to come out, we're going to push it with a pry bar towards the outside, and it will free enough so that we can take it out. And that's the other brake pad out. Now we're going to put the new ones on. These are the new brake pads, and this is the part number for them. And these are the two brake pads. Now we're going to put the first one in, and then the second one. If they don't want to go in, then with a pry bar we're going to push the cylinder in, and it will make enough space to put in the brake pad. That's the brake pad in. Now to put on the other brake pad, we're going to push in the other brake cylinder. Once we push the other brake cylinder, then we'll be able to put on the other brake pad. And now we're going to put on the pin and the metal spring. Now we're going to put on the pin. It has to go in between the holes of the brake pad. We're going to put the spring on. We're going to push in the spring a little bit so that we can push the pin all the way. And you see how it's done. Now we're going to push it all the way. If it doesn't want to go in anymore by hand, maybe hammer it a little bit with the hammer, and it will go in all the way eventually. And that's the pin all the way in, and we're done with replacing the brake pads. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.